Yeah, this is what we do, man. Trying to get connected here. It's always it's a process getting connected in the morning.
Mm-hmm. I'm watching S-Bet and SRM.
Uh-huh.
It pumped to 1425. SRM.
I did swing this DWSN,
Uh-huh.
seeing if it's gonna come up at all.
You're still shorting the ADSK?
Yeah. See what it was all about here. How we doing, Billy? Looking at anything? Thank you for coming over, man. We keep that on on our let me put that here. DSWN. DWSN. If you hear other noise inside the studios, my wife is doing traffic,
Okay.
so we do share an office here that this is our workspace. Keep everybody informed on the highways and byways. All right, let's get into it. I mean, we could start some stuff on yesterday, see what recon is all about yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
Looking here, I'm looking here.
Eu já tarde vou ligar para lá. Eu acho que ele já tem outro tipo de cartão, já não existe esse. Eu vou ligar para lá.
Nothing here. Down at the bottom here coming up. Let's see if we lit this one up here through here. There's a gap somewhere here. Let's do this. Such gap inside here. Bitcoin is down to 105, brother.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's why I got out of MSTR yesterday.
MSTR, that's correct.
Mm. Amazon is showing still some got
Yeah, down to
Nvidia is
105.
still going.
If it breaks that, you're good. So we need to fill the gap on this one here to come up for any type of play on ROCN on this one here. Okay. And then let's see what it does. Keep eye on that. RCON.
UN. What I see is pumping is ACXP. ACXP. ACXP.
AC
152%.
S XP.
ACXP.
X as in Xavier.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. And
Eight
P.
Brooks Pharmacy.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's have this
So
set up here.
This one here is wow.
Up 139%.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Look at it on the
let's see if we could
daily,
get
on the
that.
weekly. Not much there.
The volume is a little bit low, but
Not much there. It's
the run is already made.
mhm.
Who knows? We are above the 70 RSI here. Here we
Yeah.
go. Here we
Oh,
go.
she's
There it
good.
is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on. Come on. There it is. There it is. There it is. Come on. I hate when it doesn't grab me, man.
Doesn't give it. Doesn't
Got
give
it.
it.
You got it?
No.
Jeez. I hate when it doesn't grab it.
No, it doesn't give you, man. It
You
doesn't
would have to
flow.
come back now for me
It's
to.
gonna fill you on the down. Okay, it gave me now on the downside.
It would spike. It would have to pull back to grab me to go up. No. Phew. That was good. Uh, it didn't grab me.
It's holding. Holding.
Come on, grab it and then go up. Stop loss, okay. Right below that candle here. Not giving it any more than that, right? All right, let's see if we continue to go up here. Come on. Come on. In the meantime, let me search for
There she goes. There she goes. There we go.
beautiful.
There we go.
There you go. Come on. Give us 90 cents.
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna get much out of it. Come on, get up here. Hold on 1 minute, guys. Go ahead, baby. If you were, if you were, if you were able to get anything out of that, good.
Just slow traffic on ISV and US 1 into Ormond Beach, seeing that 2 on US 92 at Williamson Boulevard. No issues on I-95 or I-4 at this time. Check that too for LPGA near the Tanger outlets. We're outside, so remember to swim near lifeguards. They're trained to spot and respond to trouble quickly.
Bitcoin is falling.
Go this way. We have what? Any news today, which is retail sales today.
Yeah.
Retail sales today. Oh, we got an M up top there. APXX 86. 86. Can we get any more out of that? CERO. CERO. Let's go to CERO. CERO. See what's going on there. We just came back down here. Support. Needs to break the 70 RSI. Get higher. Let it come up. Let it come up to the VWAP. Let it come up to the VWAP. We need volume. We need volume in the market. Oh, watch the SPY at 600 again. So SPY is moving.
Uh-huh.
So CERO, let's put that in the chat here, CERO. CERO, watch that. Slow. Let's keep moving. We need that ACXP up 147. SLRX. SLRX. Getting beat down here, man. That would be a VWAP trade on the way back up. Come back support this level here, right? Where it came back up from. You can watch that. We just need to get some movement in the market here. SLRX. Watch that. And just remind me, just shout out if you see any of these getting to the level that we need to get. Wrap T. Nothing there, it's halted, but nothing there. Nothing there. Yes. Just just hold yourself to your stop loss. That's it. You know, if it's not going your way, that's something you want to do. I like to hold to my stop loss. You know, give the stock some time to develop. A lot of accumulation inside this level here. Over $5, 507 on SST. No volume in there though.
The point is falling.
This have moving. Let me see here. Hasn't moved since yesterday. No movement in this one right now. Jay-Z, not the rapper, but the stock.
SRM, Steve. SRM.
SRM, yeah, we'll look at it. Give me
SRM wants to come up, man.
what this is all about here.
SRM wants to come up still.
VWAP. SRM.
There she
we'll look
goes.
at SRM.
There she goes. It's popping and drop, popping and drop.
Yeah.
EPLD is on my watch list today. There we go, 85 cents. Come on. Come on. There we go.
On which one?
The ACXP. Yeah, we
Oh,
green.
okay.
We green.
Good. Let it run, man. Come on. Get up there. We get to $1, we good on this one here. We
There
get
she
to
goes.
$1, we good.
There she pops.
There you go.
I'm gonna take some profit right there.
There you go, big guy. There you go. Up 90, 10.
Then take it. Then take it. Then take it.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes like that, it's just slow. Get it in that candle, right? Into the strength of the stock.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Come on. Get up there. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Yeah, we just need some 95 cents. We get 95 cents. We good on that, man. There you go, get that money. There we go. Nice. Way to eat. Way to eat early in the morning.
Uh-huh.
There you go. And then we keep searching. That's all we do. We keep searching and see if we find something else. Don't look for the stock to hit the moon, right? The ability to come in and just take the stock and take a profit into the strength of the stock. That's what we're looking for on these momentum penny stocks. We're not looking for it to hit. Because look at the daily on here. Not yet. We up here. We're not gonna get our recording yet. On the 4 hours. See? That's the only candle for quite some time. Look at it. Look all that volume that coming. It may run today. Who knows? But we have an eye on it. We have an entry. If it comes back to our entry now, we could be out of it, right? That's it. Don't give it any more than that. Don't give it the same stop loss we give it when we initially start. So now my entry becomes my stop loss. It goes a little bit higher. I have 500 shares. I could take another partial, right? So that's the
Now on the
idea.
phone.
3 hours, 1 hour, back to 5 minutes here. We still got to get over the 92.30 on the RSI here. Get up. We get over $1, you're still good. But if it pulls back to my entry here, I'll be out of it. But I would like for it to run. If not, we got our partial, we out. That's the idea. All right, let's go back and see if we could find something else.
We're done with that one then.
GOVX, SBET was yesterday.
Yeah, but still showing signs. SRM still wants to go.
SRM, nothing on SBET. SRM. Look at this area here on SRM. Oof. Look at this gap. It's sitting right inside this gap here. Look at this gap area on SRM.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm watching. They're 93 cents.
Mm.
I'm out. Well, you got
Look
a
at this gap
big.
here. It's inside this gap here. So now you're only watching this now, right? It has to come through the gap. Look at this area here at this VWAP here. See this resistance here? Got to get through that, right? So I would want to play this, fill in the gap, going up, right? Target. This was yesterday. Yesterday high, right? It broke it this morning at 11:22. And yesterday was 10.88. So I want to see the stock, if it's going to break higher, fill the gap and try to run again today, right? So 980, I'll say 980. Can we scalp it here towards the VWAP? Yeah, we can, but the volume is not there right now. So keep an eye on that. I'd rather it close the gap and then start to run, right? That would be my thing. When it closed the gap, you got some issue right here, which is 1030. So give this about 50 cents, right? Say it breaks the gap, fill the gap. From the gap towards here, it's about 30 cents, right? So just watch this. It could flare up at any time, SRM. You know how well it was yesterday. Look at it yesterday. Yesterday it was good off the bottom, right? Boom, boom, accumulate, and then ran out, right? Let's see if we could find any anomalies inside here. Right here.
It's bad, spiked up.
Which one? There you
It's
go, there
bad.
you go. Anybody holding a partial on it still?
Me, I got in at 1357.
You got in where?
1357.
Okay, we still have a partial. What about you, Billy? You got any, still have a partial of that? Or didn't get into that? Lynn Sanders, what's good, man?
Hey, so good morning.
Good morning. PRPH. PRPH. So SRM, keep eye on the SRM. SRM. We took ACXP, Lynn Sanders. PRPH. What's going on with that? Oh, this one just break. And guys, you see me coming in these already. A lot of these stocks are already vetted, right? I vetted before. Here comes that volume inside of it there on the 4-hour time frame here. That's where it's at. That's where you need to get over here. That's where we at.
There goes Oklo. There goes Oklo.
Yeah, give me a minute here. Let me finish this one here. Volume, guys. Volume coming in here. 93. Watch that pullback, guy. Watch that pullback. So keep eye on this one here. Yeah, gotta get through here. Gotta get through that, guys. Let's be careful with this one here. So that's the room you're giving this one here, nothing else. Okay? If it's not getting over here, we need volume. Anything under 47, it's going short. And you know I don't trade it underneath $1. I need it under $1 to go higher. I only
With the
trade
ACXP.
stocks like this to $1. Huh?
I'm done with ACXP.
You done with the ACAP?
Mm.
I still have a little bit left. It would have to come
Yeah.
back to my entry. Okay, all
I'm
close.
not gonna wait for it to come back to my entry. I take it before she comes back to my end. Keep eye on SBET. SBET spiked up, came back down again.
Like if you don't want to hold your partial, what you do is just do this. Just take another
Stop
partial
loss
up.
doesn't work pre-markets, people.
Yeah, I know. Pre-markets are just
Stop
way
loss
to
doesn't.
grab and go. Oklo. Nothing there at Oklo right now. SAFX. FAX.
I'm
Low.
gonna take the CVX before it dumps again.
To catch some of these, you gotta be up at like maybe 6 o'clock.
Hmm.
See, it starts at exactly 7.
I'm up at 6 o'clock. So if you allow me, I'll wake you up.
You know me, man.
Hmm. See, it came down. 88 cents. Coming down. ACXP. First, second, third wave. I'm done. I only play 3 waves.
FX. Keep eye on that one. So you want to watch it below 330. 9 times out of 10, these stocks don't come back down here where they come back almost down here where they pop out from, but stay in a range, right? and you just watch that range there. So short, you're talking about 330 to, this is almost 80 cents short, right? This is something I could like to short, right? But this is what I would like to see. This is what I would like to see. This is what I like to see, something like this. And we're just gonna put this here just in case. We watch it. This would be the neckline coming up. Bam, right? Towards the top. If we could get that coming again, right? If not, you're just gonna take it down. This is the thing that may happen, right? And this is what you wanna set yourself up, and that's why I like to set myself up just in case, right? If it doesn't come up and form this W and get the neckline, the only other thing it's gonna do, right, is come down here, break, and find a support down here, like what it did right here. Or break lower, right? Or break lower. That's one scenario, right? We almost like looking into the future and watching the price action and watching these levels, right? So that's number one. Number two, we're in between this area here. It's only going to stay in between this area for sideways for a period of time, right? The next thing is break through this neckline area here. You see it had trouble here and then fall and give you a bear flag type to the downside. That's the only other thing you're going to have trouble getting back up here. So this is where I would watch, right? And I need volume to come in to break this higher. And you also got the VWAP in the middle. So you could also get a VWAP rejection and come back down, VWAP rejection like it did right here, and just go sideways. So the only thing I'm going to be waiting for, and nothing else, unless you're a scalper, I'm always going to say that. Unless you're a scalper, unless you're coming in the market just to scalp, you could scalp it from this resistance towards the VWAP or from the VWAP towards the neckline here, right? I don't like to scalp as much. I like a lot of volume in the market, like an IPO. I'll scalp an IPO or a stock that is moving very rapidly, right? I'll scalp it through a level. But this, sit and wait. Just wait. If this is the stock you want to trade, okay? If it's not the stock you want to trade, move on. At least you know what you're setting up for, and then look and see if we find something else. Okay? PRPH. Let's PRPH, see what that looked like. No. And if you see something else, there she goes. There she goes. She woke up now. PRPH. PRPH. She woke up now. There she goes. Man, there she goes. There she goes. There she goes. She needs to add up to 65, right? And then once she gets 65, here we go at the top here, 75. So that was and then over the top here, which is 80, 85. And the last time it was here, it was in February. February it was here at this level here. So if any movement, February is the highest at 85 in February. So we test this level on March. So in March, we test this level here, and here we are today in June, testing this level again on PR. As you could see, there, I traded at this level. Yeah, we traded here. Keep eye on that. Big pullback. You see? Big pullback. Keep eye on it. Now we gotta get over 62 to go any higher. So 65, right?
Take
Unless it comes back
HCXP,
down.
Steve.
Huh?
HCXP is coming down.
Yeah, it's coming down. SPY's pulling down a little bit. Yeah. Get back out. Message. IMNN.
Got out right there at the top.
IMNN. Big drop yesterday. IMNN.
Oh, ENPH fucked up again.
I don't like this. I don't like this. Not yet. We'll set alert at 125. Mean thing, huh, babe?
Take the pump and dumps.
Yeah, that's what we
You
look
dump
for.
it
Pump
before
and
it-
dump, right?
Yeah.
No volume on this one right now. I wouldn't. But set it up, no? Again, it's all about what you love. Leave that right where it's at. SAFX. Let's see what that is. Nothing there, not. All right. If you guys see something, just let me know, okay? Let me go back and check. Some from HU, BC.
Let's look at the SR.
That look like today
SMR.
down. Look at this guy. Down. So you know on the way back up, they gotta come back up here, right?
So where do you normally set your stop loss? Is it like 10%?
Uh,
Where do you normally set your stop loss?
on which one?
On
I
any
normally
trade.
set it on the previous candle. Depends on the price of the stock. If I'm looking for 2 to 1, 3 to 1, right?
Okay.
My stop loss before I take the trade, I have my stop loss. Either it's gonna be 3 to 1, 2 to 1, right? Or I'm gonna make 3 or a 1 to 1. That's gonna be my stop loss, right? And then after the stock break my entry, my next stop loss is gonna be my entry. That's it. Those are the rules I go by, right? And then once it goes above into profit, I take 3/4 out. And then my new entry of stop loss is always gonna be my entry.
Okay.
Like, let me get a better candle set up here. Let me find something here. Hold on. Yeah, go, baby.
1, 2, 1, 2, check 1, 2. Looking okay, the usual slow spots, ISB and LPGA near the Tinker outlets. Nova Road up to West Granada, still no issues, I-95, I-4, but watch out for a disabled vehicle on northbound I-95.
Good morning, Steve.
State Road 206, be cautious going through. On a National Eat Your Vegetables Day, what's your fave? Give me all your pukes.
Morning, Rob.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, say for example, like NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA right now is set up for the VWAP support, right? So if I'm gonna play NVIDIA to the downside, right? My stop loss is gonna be at the top here, right? This even candle right here. I could do a stop loss here. It comes back up, I'm out. But I wanna go to the highest point, right? So I don't get stopped out. The only way I'll get stopped out is less NVIDIA bounce off this VWAP and continue to change the direction to go higher. Right now, it's just using that VWAP as support. So the highest point is going to be my stop loss, right? That's
Yeah.
from the top going down, right? From the bottom going up. This is the bottom here. I'm going to get into NVIDIA and it start breaking, right? This is going to be my stop loss, right? As it goes up, say my entry was right here, right? Let's put this, set it up because it's inside a gap here, right?
That is your stop loss, right? For most
Yeah,
people.
this is my stop loss.
Yeah,
This
that's
is what
your
I
stop.
would do,
Yeah.
right? And it's just something that I've done all over for years, right? And I'm just disciplined in that way, right? I'm not going to see a stock breaking down, unless I'm looking for something else, right? I'm holding that line, as Yasin would say, to let the stock develop. But the stock got to develop when I'm already in it already, right? So here we go. Boom. This will be my stop loss. I'm entering the stock here, right? As it goes up, I'm going to take profit into the strength of the stock as it going up. Then I move my stop loss right to my entry, right?
Yeah.
The idea is try not to move your stop loss after you're already inside the trade already, right? Don't move it, say, okay, I'm gonna move it down here and give it some more room. No, stick to it. If the stock bounce and come back, there's always gonna be another opportunity to get the stock either down, now the momentum has changed, and then you wanna get it to the downside. If not, wait, let it come back, retest, and then take it again, if that's what you wanna do. Normally, I give myself 3 tries on one stock. If I fail 3 times after that, I don't trade that stock. That means I'm not analyzing the stock the right way, right? So I give it 3 opportunities. That's just me. And look, I go back to the ACXP. You see how this stock did right here? Look, that was my entry, right? It came back and used my entry as support. Look, boom, bounce. So now if you're looking at this stock now, this is where you're going to be looking to go over.
You're missing out on SRM.
It's okay. It's okay. We're in training right now. It's okay.
Got the support at
We always
862.
got
There
it.
she goes, $9. There she
So
goes.
there you
There she
go,
hits
right here,
$9.
right?
There she
So
goes.
this
There
is
she goes.
what
There
it's
she
gonna
goes.
be.
910. There we go. Boom.
All
Ka-ching,
right.
ka-ching. Come on.
So now you're
Ka-ching,
not
ka-ching.
doing anything with this trade more than waiting for the volume to come back in, bounce off this level as support and get through here. Okay?
Yeah.
And then your stop loss is below this the next further candle. Look, this is right here. Can you move it up a little bit to the body? You could do that. But that's all I'm going to give. And just knowing that, okay, if it come back and touch the VWAP, right? That's all I'm giving. I'm not giving any more. Or the short level here. That's it. One or the other. Okay?
Yeah. Thank
CRM,
you.
it's gone. Oh, that was not yet. Not yet. I want to see volume coming on. It start to come in, but not yet. I wouldn't get into CRM yet. I need to see this VWAP area break here, close the gap. I want to see volume coming to close the gap. And once I see volume coming in to close the gap, then I'll be interested in CRM. Okay? That's just me. That's how I would trade it. Or volume is coming in. It's going to break through the VWAP and take a trade through the VWAP towards the gap fill. Okay? That's how I would do that. But not yet on CRM. Not for me, at least. IMRX.
Hey, Pet Shop Boys are in Portugal.
Huh?
Pet Shop Boys are in Portugal.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Hmm. Oh man, these guys are old now. I wouldn't mind going to watch their concert on the day one,
Light volume on this one here.
20th of June. What's the
Got beat up.
oh, 2 days?
URGN.
There's some resistance here.
Isn't you're into URGN?
Hmm.
What is the target on that?
What you say, Rob?
URGN.
URGM? Okay,
GN. URGN.
URDM. Watch this, IMRX. IMRX. Tobias, what's going on, buddy? IMRX. Just watch that. Low volume. And you say it was what, Rob?
URGN.
GM. Got
GN. N as Nancy.
and Nancy. Okay. 70 RSI. And when I'm looking for these stocks, I'm looking for like areas that it's resist. Look, boom, bam, bam. 2, right? Yesterday. So look where it's trying to do. It tested several times. So this level, it's trying to say to you, hey man, I can't get over here, but I'm watching this level here. It breaks. Let's see when the last time it breaks. 1, 2, 3. This was what? Friday, right? Thursday. After that, Thursday, 6-6, 6-6. So it breaks it a couple times, but I just don't see enough volume in it right now to play it, right? So through 15, that's solid number here. It may happen later. And there's a gap inside here, so. But if this is something you want to watch, that's how I would play this. Play this here, all right? Not yet, though. I don't see nothing to, not yet. Not enough for me to interest in
Yeah.
this one yet, right?
AMD, AMD. Come on, AMD.
It's too, like I look at chart like this and we wait till something develop here, over the top here. I would need some volume to come in to break that 70 RSI and get through that 15 to go higher. Okay. SLRX. See what we got here. We're still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting.
Are you waiting for the stock to close above the VWAP?
We need to trade it as it go through the VWAP here. You see this area here? This is almost like a resistance area here. I need to get it to go through and I'll take a trade through here, 145.
Yeah.
Right? So volume should be coming in, but you see every time it gets to the VWAP, it get rejected, right? So we need volume to come inside here to blow it through the VWAP in order to take a trade through that. So nothing there. The market is slow right now.
CXP, CXP,
That was great.
XP.
$5. That could be just that.
AMD, let's go. AMD, AMD.
Mostly what I look for, guys, I look for resistance, right? I look for areas of resistance, stocks at support. I look for the support areas. I look for gaps, and I try to get the stock with momentum, right? Getting it into the direction with momentum, trying to break those levels. So a stock like this now, MINM, big support area here, right? Okay. If it's going to break down, it needs to break that and go lower, which is 220. So that would be my target, right? And if you've been trading with me for quite some time, purple is target, red is always short, green is always where I go long. When I set up the neckline and all of that other stuff while I'm searching the chart, the neckline up, neckline down, okay, yellow. White is always where I plan my stop loss. Okay. So I try to keep my chart as clear as possible so I could always watch the price action that is going on. Okay. And trade with the strength of the stock. Okay. So when you see me do all that stuff, that's what it is. That's what it represents. Okay. Now we just need ACXP is up 189%. So I'm good, Tobias. I'm good, buddy. Absolutely, man. I appreciate you, buddy.
AMD.
Find something here. Give me a moment. I'm searching.
Nice candle on AMD. Listen.
I know. Waiting patiently.
Yesterday it
Patiently.
hit
I need 180, 128.32.
Yesterday, yeah, it hit 128. You're still holding, right?
128 on the dot. It hit 128 yesterday. She's going to 138, 140. 138.90 is the target for me. Oh, Oklo. She's spiked. Oklo. Where you wanna go?
Yeah, Aklo is good.
Oklo, where you wanna go?
Aklo.
Oklo, where you wanna? Here comes the trouble. Boom, 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 boom.
8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8
There
o'clock.
you go. Come on.
So keep eye
Hey,
on
come,
this one here.
AMD, come push, 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 push.
Oh,
Come on, AMD.
hello.
Just need a
Oh, there
50
it is.
cents more, Steve.
Huh?
Not 50, 30, 62 cents. I need 62 cents on AMD.
Oh, nice. Oklo. Just be careful with Oklo. Oklo is the kind of stock
Good
here.
job.
We're right inside here, just a little bit late on it right there. A little bit too late there. It pulling back here would be a great way to get in. Catch it right here. Oklo.
Yeah, well, not very much. Yeah.
ACXP, guys, just blow off the top there.
Come on, A. Come on. There we go. ACXP, Steve, over the dollar, man. Shit.
All right.
Oh man, ACXP went to $1.
Good on that one. Good.
Are we out of that? We are. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I know you want to go. I know you want to go AMD. I
Yeah, that's
know you want to go.
beautiful, guys, on that one. Anybody still in that one?
Which one?
HCXP?
No, I got up.
That was good. Into the strength of that stock right there. Beautiful.
Got out. Yeah, you too.
Where's my can't find my stuff today.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
MSTR. Seriously, yeah, but here then showing me 74. No, I bought some MSTR now. No, I bought it.
That one was good. Now we need
ACX.
Oklo.
I even bought Tesla. It's a good price. It doesn't have to get. 227. Yeah. Great. Yeah.
Mr. Wonderful here. My friend Howard Mark.
Come on. That's nice. You guys here. I'm not gonna chase it now because I didn't get the opportunity to get back in it here. So I'm not gonna
Yeah, we
chase
missed it. It's fine. It's okay. It's all that.
BK. BKYI. $8 o'clock, so we may have some movement going on in the market here. 105. 105. Okay, let's come back and test this level here. Up and down. You need it up over the dollar to go higher. Okay. BY, BKYI.
No, sir. So.
AMD, yes, in the winner.
Yeah. We green, boys. No, not yet. We still need 40 cents.
And I like this Tesla down here. You're
I
right to
still
buy
need
it.
40 cents. Need 40 cents.
On which one?
AMD.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
that is yes since break even.
Yeah, man. 2,700 shares, my friend.
You need to get
Let,
out of that as soon as possible.
let's
Yeah,
go.
as soon as the thing goes green, boy, I'm dumping it home.
Yeah. Tesla.
Yeah, I got into some Tesla. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching.
Ching, ka-ching. Let's go.
SRM. SRM. Bought. I bought some more SRM. Just need 30 cents on this one here.
That's it. That's it.
Come on, AMD, come on, man. Let's pop through my Yasins.
70
Come on.
RSI, 70 RSI rates.
Yeah, I won't make it. I won't make it.
Why don't
And then we're looking to break Tesla over this resistance here, right?
why don't you sell 50%, then you buy back when it goes down?
No, I'm not doing that. I already sold
No,
yesterday.
that's not yes it.
No, it's not me that. Steve knows me. I will hold the line, man. If I have to, I put in another $1 million, no problem.
There you go. Tesla. Last one there. Okay.
All right, o'clock. It's moving finally. Okay, Aqua for the win for me. First trade.
Come on, Oklo. MSTR, good. MSTR, we good. We good on MSTR. We good. We good.
What
we
is
good.
Aqua target? What is Aqua's target? 69.50.
Last check, let's talk. Crash with injuries and roadblock. Ocean Shore Boulevard at Imperial Heights Drive. There's a crash over westbound marker 119. Not sure if there's a roadblock.
On
And then a
28
crash
foot.
over westbound marker 113. The road is open. Real heavy traffic I-4 eastbound marker 125. Where did all that come from? Enjoy Tuesday. Be safe on the roads. I'll see you back in traffic this evening.
So the new long now, you gotta get over this 116 now on ACXP.
Man, you know, when we sell stocks, they just keep on going. When we hold them, we're
And you're
done.
short. I don't hold them for too long.
There we go.
Okay.
All close, Steve. All close.
ACXP. All close. Here we go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful, guys.
What is the target on Aqua? 69.50.
70. If it could get there, but remember what we do.
Yeah, pay.
Pay yourself first. Into the strength of the stock. Well, we get into what? 68, 70, 69. That's what? 60 cents? 60 cents is more than enough in these kind of environment, guys. Okay, just remember that. Don't try to hit the home runs right off the bat. Get your base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit. The home runs will come, the doubles, the triples, the singles. Get those. Once you start developing those base hit, the stock will present the home run, man.
Guys, 32 cents to go. 32 cents to go.
Okay, good on that. CERO. Remember CERO. That was Oklo. Good job. Coming up. Need more volume to get up there. Oklo good. We pay ourselves. Good one, Yasin. So we're 2 for 2 right now. We're
Yeah.
2 for 2. We took 2 trades and we 2 wins. VERV. Let's look at that. Nothing there. Just riding. No volume in that one here. But I'll watch this level here. See what it does. No volume. This area here. If it's going to develop some support inside this zone here. So you're talking about $1. $1 move. If it breaks. Can we build a position to the VWAP? Yeah. Like right here, towards here. Not enough volume for me. You got to be watching this to take advantage of this trade right here. VWAP. But if not, set up an alert. 12. And then anything on the 10, right? So we got to give ourselves a $2 window here.
Take it, buddy. Don't wait.
Yeah, hear buddy say, take it. Don't wait for it.
Wait.
You wait so long for it to come back, it's not gonna rocket to the moon. Let the partial rocket to the moon. Take your initial investment out.
What are you talking about? AMD.
He
AMD.
said,
There she goes.
I know he said AFD. Take
I
it.
still need 15 cents. I still need 15
Come
cents.
on, come on,
15
man.
cents. Come on.
He's telling you, take it. The student
Here we
is
go.
telling the
Here we
teacher
go.
to take it. Take it. Oh, that's a
Here
good
you
one,
go.
man.
Here you go. Here you go, man.
Let's go at AMD, see what they all have in
Let's
front
go.
of
Let's
it.
go.
There
Okay.
we go. 2 cents to go. 2 cents to go.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
That was the setup on AMD. There you
Oh
go,
my
guys.
2 cents to
goodness.
go. Come on.
There you go.
Okay,
Oh, nice, man.
28.50.
Come on.
28.50.
139 bucks to go.
Uh,
Come on. 2 cents.
let's have him pump it up there.
There we go. There we go.
Pump it up. You've been waiting on this trade for the longest. That's the trade right there.
Yes, sir. 2 cents. Yeah, we go. We
There you
green.
go.
There we go. We green. We green. We green.
Good job. Good job, man.
Green.
Take your
We
money.
selling. We selling. We selling.
Yes, sir. Leave a partial though. Don't sell all
Man,
of
I'm
it.
not selling everything.
Put
There
a
she
stop
goes.
loss towards your VWAP here. Put a stop loss at the VWAP. That's what I would do. Get paid. You waited this long. Don't give it back. MOBX. MOBX. Nice trade on AMD. MOBX.
It has room, little room.
Yeah, nothing more there. MOBX. INVZ.
Here you
INVZ. I don't like it. Over $1 here. 98. 99. We need volume in this thing here.
Here we go. We green, man.
Good job, buddy.
All right, man. Happy. Good.
Yeah, man, we happy for you. We were always supporting you on that one there.
Yeah, that one on Tesla, man.
Yeah. Just don't get back in that again like that. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. You know what to do.
Yeah, at least for 2 months.
RGC.
It's just going kaching, kaching. It's just selling. It's just selling. I got my sell orders.
RGC
148,
coming up to the VWAP.
128.50. Come on.
Watch RGC.
Watch Oklo. Watch Oklo.
All
There
close.
we go. There we go.
All close.
There we go. 59. Come on. 129. You're coming next. There we go. 160.
Let's watch to the VWAP there.
Good, good. Nice.
Buddy.
Still got 2,500 shares.
Leave 500, yes, sir.
29. It's going for 29.
Wait. Hold the line, man. Hold the line, guys. Hold the line. This bitch is gonna run.
Let it run.
75.
At least you got a partial in it.
Partial. My partial is 2,500 shares.
Just honor the stop loss, that's all. Don't get
I'm up
stuck in
a
it.
grand. I'm up a grand now. There we go. We keep on dumping it. Come on.
Little by little. RGC inside this range here, okay? Anybody looking at RGC?
Come on, AMD. Let's go. You've been charging me overnight charges here?
Nothing there on Prime. CTOR.
CERO.
CTRO. OR. CTOR. That's what you say?
CERO.
CERO. CERO. CERO.
It's above VWAP. Oh,
CERO. CERO.
Hello.
CERO.
Let's check, let's talk, crash within 3.
Yeah, it's not yet, not yet, not yet. Too choppy. Not yet. You want to see it start breaking that 70 RSI, make that VWAP support and start. You see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 attempt at this level right here. Okay?
Yeah.
You want to see, unless you're going to scalp it through this area here. But I would wait to see how that's going to play. AZTR. Over the top. Over the top on this one. It's way above the 70 RSI, right? Where this VWAP breaks and go higher, boom. Again, I don't trade below $1. I like to get the stock under $1, pushing towards $1. Okay. Now, this could have been up at least 300%. It's 300%, but it's not over $1. You know what I mean? Boom. Target. Everybody still in Oklo? Welcome,
Yeah.
welcome, welcome. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live, okay? Appreciate you guys stopping by. Come on, Oklo. The power of partial. ACXP. Still up there, right? Still up there. There you go. If you're just coming in the market, it's above the 70 RSI. That's where it's testing now, right? That's where it's testing. Trying to go higher. Accumulate, pop. Accumulate, pop. Accumulate, pop. Accumulate, looking to pop. We don't know what 830 is going to bring. Okay? So keep eye on that one. Run. Run is down here. This is going to be a sweet one off the bottom here, guys. Keep eye on these. I love when the stock is below the 30 RSI. Run. RUN. Nice, nice, Tobias. Good job, man. Always know that in these kind of environment, 10 cents is a lot for these stocks. Okay? Anything more than 10 cents, you're getting 20 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents. You great. Remember, these are just these pump and dump momentum stock. They call them momentum. They momentum up for a period of time, and then all of a sudden give it all up. Some of them hold and continue to run. It's just that's why I always suggested leave a small amount. Leave a small amount just in case. Okay? Have your stop loss ready. And remember, we're trading pre-market. RUM. RBNE. Why that sound RBNE? Why that sound familiar? Energy. We were dealing with energy stock last week, right?
There we go. AMD.
Nice, buddy.
Man, I know my shit, man.
Yes, you do.
Not yet. I'm not going to sell off. You're crazy. Been waiting so long. There we go. 139. It's going to sell on its own. It's going to sell. My
Sell
target is
another
138.
partial out of it. Yes,
Yeah, I'm taking out. It's just selling every time. See?
yeah.
See? I'm just
Every
making
time it
catching,
gets
catching
to
all
a
the time.
level.
There we go. 129. Come on. Come
There you
on,
go.
AMD. Come. Let's go, baby. Let's go. 129.
That's
Come
a
on.
happy guy.
Oh, me, I'm a happy guy. Not yet. Not yet. You're still
No?
gonna see me happy.
RBNE.
Come on,
Wait,
129. Come. Let's
25.
go. Let's go. AMD 130. Let's go. Pre-market 130. There we go. Kaching, kaching. It's just happening. It's just happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening.
DATS.
Come on.
DATS. Ooh, just miss it. DATS. DATS. Right in right now. Got to get over this level here on DATS. May not get there today. There's a lot's going on in here.
There we go, guys. Look at it.
Yes, sir.
Squeeze up, squeeze up. Gamma squeeze. This is gonna be a gamma squeeze on this one, yeah.
Let's pull back.
Come on. Come on, 129. Come 130. Let's go.
Wow, look how the dip now.
Let's go. 139.35. Come 130, 135, 137.
Yeah.
141 we won't get.
So this is
What
where I
else?
would watch that. We're gonna go up. Let's go.
Come, sell some more here. Sell some more here. 29, 29.
So if it's gonna break
35.
back up, we need it to break through and go up, right? Okay, watch that.
Getting catching, catching. Look at that. 129.44. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Just look at it.
Beautiful,
Would you look at it? Would you look at
I'll
it?
look at it.
Would you look at it?
I'll look at it. Give me a minute here.
Let me get out of
If you
Oklo.
guys see anything, let me know here. AMD.
Let me get out of Oklo and concentrate on this one here.
AMD, beautiful trade, man. Let it rock. Give me 1 minute, guys.
Let it rock. Let it rock. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Come, blow off top. AMD, blow off top. So you're gonna dunk it pre-market. Let's sell some more here. There we go.
Yeah, when market opens, it's going to dump. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's do it. Dots. Don't touch that right now. AMD look good. PRME. That's what's going on. PRME. PRME. If you guys see anything, let me know. NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Somebody said NVIDIA. NVDA.
Nvidia is gone.
Yeah,
Nvidia is gone.
Nvidia's
You
gone.
must get a review up.
Steve,
That's it.
FLNC. FLNC.
L
No, F as Frank, LNC.
LNC.
FLNC.
FLNC.
Yeah.
Energy stock. Yeah.
I just released 100,000. I just released 100,000 from my portfolio.
Wait for it to pull 70 RSI, 75 RSI.
Yeah, you gotta
Look at
get through
that,
here,
Amazon.
Here
Look
you
at
go.
Amazon.
this,
Meta,
550 here.
Coin,
Some
SRM,
resistance up here.
SRM is popping. SRM is
Needs to break.
popping. SRM is popping.
I would wait till it develop, you know. See what it does at 550. Not enough volume there right now.
Look at that.
CRO,
Amazon, guys. Oh my God.
CERO, still there on the VWAP there. You
Oh,
see that?
Amazon.
We need that
Wow.
bounce off here.
Yes, Amazon.
Still
Keep on
choppy.
going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Amazon. There we go.
The one you said was
Come
FLNC,
for the
right?
spike.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Gotta get over that 550. Can get through here on SLRX. There's no lot of movement in the market right
Oh,
now.
Steve, SRM, SRM.
SRM.
SRM. Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Yeah, big support. Look at that. Boom. Needs to get through that. Look at that. Look at that resistance. You see, when a stock show you this, guys, you know that something is brewing here. Something is brewing here. It tests this level how many times? It's not breaking down, right? It's testing higher every time. So we're in this fair value area right here, right? VWAP. Come on. You just got to be patient here. Okay? It will come. It's going to do one or two things. Book down, close the gap, right? Or we continue to come up, close the gap to the upside, bam, and start running. All right? So that's what you're waiting on. DATS fell. Let's look at that. EMPH. Keep eye on that one for me. Yes, in SRM. And NVIDIA ran. Look at that. That's a beautiful trade there on NVIDIA. That was nice. Nice V-shape reversal off the bottom. Boom. Beautiful. So now we up in this area here now, right? So now got to get 830. So if you're looking at NVIDIA, now we got to get through this 145.50 to go higher, right? Same thing inside this area here. That would be my target if I'm coming into NVIDIA at 145.
Yes,
30
and watch
cent move
AMD.
from here to here. Okay, 30 cents. Anything above that, you're golden on that, on NVIDIA trade. Okay.
Yes, all stock has a common pull down, 830.
Right. So just watch for the pull back and then pop. Pull back, pop. PSHG. Nothing here at the moment. Nice pop there. If it's gonna go higher, let's look for areas. Okay.
Yeah, US retail sales not good month over month. US retail sale came out minus 99.9.
Yeah, not good.
Not good.
So PSHG, we'll put that up there.
not good.
Market ain't doing much or nothing.
Retail sales, not good.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button. Let you know when we go live, all right? We searching, we scanning the market. Sometimes we scan all morning. Just don't want to jump in anything.
ACXP coming back.
Yeah. We just don't want to jump in anything.
ACXP.
And that's where the patient part comes in, guys. Sometimes I'm setting up chart and I miss the trade. Need that curve on that. Up 32%.
Rob, are you watching AMD?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, man.
take it, man.
Down for
Take
so
it.
long, man.
Take it.
Get out now. And get out now that she's moving.
Not all of it.
Yeah. I'm
Not all
keeping
of it.
1,800 now. I cleared up 100,000 in my portfolio.
There you go.
Take it, buddy.
Pick another 50.
Take it before
See
9
if we
o'clock.
could get break on this one here. Back up to $8. FLD. Nice on Meta. I'll look at Meta in a minute.
Now I won't sell. Keep it. My cost is going to drop so much. I got them at I got those ones at 88, 90, 100. I've been buying. So what I've done basically is I've taken away all those the ones that I bought at high price. Yeah. That's good. Look at the chart of me. You'll understand what I'm watching.
Just wait for this one to break.
Afinal,
We
mesmo para
already
fazer
at the
isso.
70 RSI there.
Actually, you should be buying at 145.
Ah,
Meta.
At 145.
Meta is at 700, getting ready to break. So here's Meta. Target. We're in this zone on Meta. Look how Meta trading today. Matter of fact, do this gap right here. Meta is inside this gap here. So let it come down inside the gap. Right? You could see there's some pressure there. I want to see it comes down inside the gap. Boom. Right, 700. That was nice. Break to the downside, fill the gap. This would be a target. Anything exit. She's gone after that, right?
Rob, AMD.
Fill the gap to the downside, she's gone. So now this is what you gotta watch. Boom. Break the top. Give it what? 702. Okay. And
Rob,
then
AMD.
703. So this is $1, right? To the upside. That's how I would watch middle. I'm not doing anything till it comes down in here inside the gap. Fill the gap, exit the gap. And remember, on the way down, always take that partial into the strength of the stock, right? Market is not doing much of anything. Right, so take that, bam, down. Follow. Okay, follow. FGL.
Poi ci vediamo, abbiamo già preso cifra. Io,
Pull right back.
già di cifra, io ci devo dire, un gioco più classe. 1.5 cifra.
Sometimes you just gotta do it, just.
SRM, Steve, is curling up.
SRM, okay.
It's curling up, it's curling up, curling up.
FGL.
SRM is curling up.
FGL.
Calm down, everything must calm down now. Oh man, ACXP is still going, Steve.
Huh?
ACXP is still going.
Yeah, it's still there. But
Mhm.
again, it has to get over the 116. If I'm gonna get into it now, it has to get over that 116. You know, I already gave up my stop loss. I'm not gonna go in
Bought
it
some
now.
Google. Bought some
Gotta
Google.
build up and run again. You'd be excited about that one.
AMD, come, still gonna go. You're still gonna go.
I
You've
told
been
you,
in the
it's
gutters
very
for too
choppy
long.
underneath this area here, huh? Boom. Target, FGL. Very choppy on that. So you're risking 10 cents with stop loss right here, right? There she is. Come on, Bill. Bill, 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 Bill. Keep eye on that one. Keep eye on that one.
Here goes
Very
Bitcoin.
choppy.
Here goes Bitcoin. No, he didn't. He didn't get so certain.
VERV.
On short maroon.
So that's how we be doing, guys. Look, no volume there. We search, we search, we search, we search, we search until we find.
Short, short, yes.
Nothing. We just scrolling through. Nothing. You're welcome, Tobias.
My day has come. My day has come. My day has come. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go, Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
Nothing there.
And Bitcoin has to go. And gold, we short gold. Let's short gold. No, what is an Huh? Did short? Long career war, speaking about 400 something W. No.
Trying to see what some of these stocks are doing from yesterday. Nothing much. CRM. Yes.
Bitcoin की short money.
See, still inside this area, right? Can't get through. I definitely keep eye on that one, for sure. Once it breaks, it's gonna go. Let's see if it does the same thing all morning. I'm scouting, I'm
It
looking,
doesn't matter. These reports don't make a difference, man. They just bring the stock down, you take it up again.
nothing
And
there.
the stop low again, that's right.
NXTC,
Yeah.
nothing. Ooh. Nothing, ONCO, nothing. Grid pop this morning, that's it, right back. So you're watching that 497, $5 range there on that one. NVTS, don't you got that one, yes, in on your list?
BTS, yeah, man, I was watching more on this AMD chart, man. Come on, Google. Ooh,
Looks good on an hour chart.
Mm, yeah, yeah, 725, right? We gotta get to that 725 on that hour chart, right?
Mhm.
So that's how we'll set that up for that.
yes, RM.
That's how I would look at that route. $7, so like a 25-cent move on this one. So 25 cents, so this is a 25 cents range here. 25 cents, 20 cents. Slow, that'd be slow. If you guys see anything, just let me know. I don't see nothing more. I'm just scanning other than Oklo and ACXP. That's the only thing that's doing anything right now.
No, that's not him. $9. $9. There she goes. There she goes. Come on. There you go. $9.
Good job, Tobias. Good job, Tobias. Good job, buddy. ACXP, good one. That's the only one that really making any money this morning, that make any money really good this morning. CERO. I don't see nothing on that right now. Keep coming up. Keep coming up.
There we go, Steve. SRM. That's the view up first time.
All right, let's go. There we go, VWAP. Let's see if we could get some. Still, that VWAP is a problem.
Yeah, I need to get when it goes to view up to no run.
Yeah, this is inside this area here. You see this level here yesterday before closing. Look.
Yeah.
We're inside here. That's where it's doing. It's using this. Look at this. Look right here. Let me get this.
Space. What we call cost base.
Yeah. Look at this area here. Look all here. How many times it tests this level here? Right? Look. So I want to see come through the VWAP, support the VWAP, bounce through this level here and continue to move. Right? If it's not, I'm not going to do anything. Okay? I'd rather wait till it fills the gap and bursting through the gap, then take a trade. Again, if you're a scalper, I'm not saying you can't scalp it, but you need the change of direction. 3 or more green candles, right? 1, 2. You see, like here, 1, 2. This was a trend to the upside and then got rejected at this level here.
Well,
Okay.
in the meantime, I'm taking profit at 9.
There you go. Say less. Say less. Maybe we could get one more. Maybe we could get one more. XTIA. This one was the other day, right? Very low now, coming up.
Your profit also gives you margin, really. Okay, also gives you a buying power. Say you bought a stock for 100, and your buying power is 500. So it goes to 200. Buying power becomes 1,000. No, and buying power
XTIA.
increases as well.
Coming up. There's some resistance right here. Above the VWAP.
No, which is TVX.
XTIA.
So turn your budget. So there's one for the 740.
All close. So watch this XTIA.
Oh, again,
What's
XTIA,
that XTIA? 70.
APLD, Steve, APLD is the one. APLD.
Watch this. Let me get out of this. Oklo. Oklo is getting ready to drop. Let's get out of that one. Oklo. XTIA. Watch that one. Watch that one. XTIA. Watch it at that level. And also watch INVZ. INVZ.
It is pulling.
INVZ. Nice pop. Nice pop. 110. Gone. INVZ.
Nvidia down.
Market is
The
pulling.
market is pushing down now. Just be careful. And watch the market. You don't want to do nothing right now. ACXP is still there at 106.
I don't.
Got to get over 116 for more upside. Nothing, 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 nothing. Patient. Now we're gonna have to wait for the market to open. INVZ. Keep an eye on INVZ. INVZ.
SRM, SRM, $9,
I'm coming up.
$9. Got out again at $9. 905. There she goes.
We'll play this
There
one
she
up to the
goes.
top here.
There she goes.
SRM.
Wait for it, let it go up a little bit more, and then you get a confirmation. Because it came the second time, it comes down again.
There it goes.
It's the second time, it comes down again. 905. 905. Keep eye on APLD, Steve. On the run. APLD.
Yeah, it's
APLD.
accumulating in that area right now.
APLD. Let's bet.
Look at this one now. SRM. Keep eye on SRM.
Yeah, I got now, but I do little droppers there.
INEO.
MSTR.
INEO.
Choppy.
INEO. INEO. INEO.
Let's go.
INEO.
EO. INEO. INEO. Let's go. 162.
INEO. Broke. Could ride the coattail here. Can we get enough?
Giving me. It's not giving me.
Come on, let's go. Let's skim it. Let's skim it. Come on.
Giving me this thing here.
Yeah. Look at that. I got in
Look at that, it's
before
not
it
giving
get
me.
there, man. It didn't give me
It
at
doesn't
all.
want to give it to me.
It would have to
Three
pull back
orders.
now.
He's gonna pull back, he's gonna give it to me. Always does this, is IB Gad, always does.
Come on. Pull back, grab it, and then go.
Yeah, okay, yeah, I'm getting it on a pullback.
Get it now. Come on. Phil. 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 There you
Come
go.
on, give it to me, man. Ah,
Why it does that?
I don't know why it does that. It doesn't give it to me.
Yeah,
Don't give me 200 shares.
that's it. We 3 for 3. We 3 for 3. Bam. Take it. There we go, guys. Here we go. Nice.
You didn't fill from it.
Beautiful. Beautiful. That's it. That's it. Let the rest ride. Let the rest come back to your VWAP, right? To your entry, and you'll be done with that trade. I care less what it does after that. Right? It comes back. We took advantage of it. If it wants to go higher, let's see where it is. Well, we need to get over here,
$2.
right? $2, $2.50, the high. Right? So that's my cue here. That was the last trade. We made 3 trades. Billy, were you able to take any of those trades with this morning? Lynn Sander, were able to take any trades?
Yeah.
No, sir, nothing today.
Okay.
Because it makes me hard. Webull for the UK users is a bit too tricky to use.
Okay. Take your time, man. No rush. No rush. It ain't going anywhere. When you get comfortable and with it, then you do it. You know, in the meantime, just soak it up. One trade at a time. If you trade one stock, that's fine. No problem. Okay. But I'm gonna go over to my private channel. I'll be back on TikTok at 11, and from 11 to 1, you know, we do everything. We mix it up. But always a pleasure. Thank you guys so much for coming in and hanging out. It was hard searching for some today, but as you could see, they're there. It's just we just got to be patient and waiting for them to develop. All right. So INEO, I would watch that. INVZ, SRM, all those. MINEO, NMTDTH DATS and SOUN. Just watch those, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day. If you make money, don't give it back to the market. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share the live as well. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys back at 11. I'm switching channel over into the private channel. And again, if you want to come into the private channel, just hit the Discord. Go underneath my bio and on YouTube. Follow me on all the links there. Hit the Discord link and come on into the Discord. Okay, let me put the Discord link right here for anybody who wants to come in. We still drop a lot of stocks in the Discord. So you always, if you're part of the Discord, you could always get stocks as well that we are watching through the Discord. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow or see you later on TikTok. Okay, this is the link for TikTok. Come on in, follow, and boom. All right. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for keeping my company, and hope you guys learned something today.